Hi, this is Jen Merritt with ConsciousWebPresence.com. If you're in need of a website, feel free to check out the website. We have an editor that we offer a 3-hour virtual class if you're looking for instruction. Nancy, this is for you. I'm going to show you how to update your page. So you'll go to Pages, scroll down to the page that you want to work on, double click on it, then exit out of this box. I know you want to add a text box between this header tag and there's a spacer here and then there's a text box. So I'll go ahead and move my mouse to the spacer container. I'm going to click the 3 little dots and I'll say add content. You could do a header or text. Text is going to bring up this text box here where you could make something a header element, or you could leave it as a text font. So I'll go ahead and make this H4 so you can see what that looks like. 18. Sometimes there's HTML code in the text box. It looks like this. And so you can see the font size is 18. It has the header tag. So then I'm going to double click, say add content spacer. And then this spacer is 50, this spacer is 50. And if you wanted it to be less, you could type in a lower number here. There you go. So the other option for adding text, that was a text box. You could also say add content headline, and then you could drop in a header tag here. And then if you wanted to play around with which the font, what the font was, then you would go H5, H6, H4, H3, H2, H1. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And you can go ahead and make the changes that you would like to make on your website.